Hi, I'm Mike Dakotas. I've been with Sidel over 38 years. So Sidel is owned by Tetra Laval, which owns as well Tetra Pak and De Laval. We're involved in multiple industries globally. From our Canadian facility here in Laval, there's two primary market segments that we manufacture and provide services for. One is the FHPC, again, which is the food, home, and personal care. And the second market is wine and spirits. So primarily, these are the two markets that we will manufacture equipment from here locally. And the reason being is that these markets typically have very complex, very custom-made solutions. And here in Laval, we have the expertise to deal with these type of custom-made solutions for these two markets. The Laval facility is the only Canadian facility that we manufacture different products. The products that we supply to the market in North America is essentially conveyors and cat feeding. We have 9,000 meters squared in terms of both manufacturing and office space. We have 217 employees. Also, we do engineering services. We are the hub for North America for engineering services. Apart from the FHPC and the wine and spirits, we also do on a case-by-case basis also beverage, which includes alcohol, non-alcohol beverages as well. That's also an important part of the market here in North America for us as well. So these services essentially set us apart in that we're able to put it all together to provide the necessary equipment and services to our customers and meet their expectations as well.
Sidel is present in more than 190 countries with over 40,000 equipment installed all over the world. Sidel Canada is our main manufacturing facility in the region. When it comes to packaging innovation, Sidel is always been at the top of the chain. We are always looking into lightweighting our bottles in a smart way. So we have a packaging team that sits with the customer, with our marketing team, and then we set together and define what are their goals. When it comes to the packaging itself, there are certain aspects that we need to cover. They tell us, okay, we would like to achieve these targets in terms of weight. With our feasibility test, we are able to provide those tests to the customer and tell them exactly what is the feasibility of those products. Yes, we can go up to 7 grams, we can go up to 8 grams. What is the type of product that you want to bottle? We help the customer to achieve those targets with our technology. It wouldn't be possible. So it takes a lot of engineering expertise to develop the equipment that will be aligned with those consumer trends.
We are designing and manufacturing various type of stainless steel conveyor with different size, function, product we transport. Yeah. The conveyors are linking all the machine from the line and creating this synergy to maximize the performance of the line, and are very important by accumulating product between the machine to maximize this performance. Yeah. Could be can, glass, could be bottles, could be whatever type of product the customer have. We personalize all those conveyors to the specification of the customer. Safety is very important for us, and internally we are certified ISO 45001, and we have dedicated people to ensure compliance of our product to all the safety regulations.
So the engineering services that we offer in terms of value to our customers is different from other companies in that we use a theoretical approach. A theoretical approach in line design, which is a proven methodology. It's designing a line with certain parameters that go into line design. V-graph, accumulation, mean time to repair, and so forth. So these are parameters that are part of our design when we put together a line for our customers. What we do is we simulate these solutions. Now the simulations allow us to give our customers a guarantee of performance. So this guarantee of performance that we provide really sets us apart from our competitors, in the sense that we could, with certainty, be able to simulate these line designs. And once they're simulated, it will actually give us what the customer can expect from our line designs. So that's very attractive to our customers. in the sense that not only is he buying equipment from us, but he's buying a performance of guarantee that he will hold us to and that we will commit to as well. The simulation tool is called Paxi, and essentially what we do with the simulation tool is we insert parameters and we build a model of the line. Once the line is modeled out, we run iterations and iterations of these simulations that will give us an overall performance that we could commit to our customers. We have conveyors that are set up that allow us to test the products of our customers. Now, by doing so, we could essentially have a proof of principle of how our line design is going to work with the customer's specific products. So Industry 4.0 is an interesting topic. It allows our customers to be more effective, more efficient. It allows us also to respond in a more rapid way. The way we respond to 4.0 is on a digital side. We provide virtual assistants. We provide AI at times to help us take decisions. We also have EIT, EvoOn, which are all digital solutions that help customers to run their lines on a regular basis. EvoOn, which is part of our digital solution, is proprietary to Sidel, which helps in starting up lines faster, minimizing costs. So with the EvoOn digital solution that we provide, it's shown that we could improve some of the component life up to 30%, which is significant for a lot of our customers. So less downtime, more running of your production lines, more product out the door. So the feedback from our customers on our digital solutions has been very, very positive in that they've seen the benefits and allowed them to vertically start up a lot faster than doing it the traditional way. So automation for our customers is very, very important in that they're always looking at how we could improve their overall line efficiencies, how we could remove some everyday manual work by automating. So that's critical to our customers in reducing headcount, but at the same time increasing efficiencies. We have over 60 project engineers, project managers, and startup and controls technicians. And one of these technicians may be available in your neighborhood today. We do all our drawings for parts and components in 3D. That allows us to send the documents and the drawings to our customers for them to visualize, as well as to our suppliers, and then internally to manufacture and assemble the components as part of the overall conveyor solution. So this is a typical conveyor section that we build here in Laval for the North American market. In this specific case, what we're looking at is a merge table. Essentially, it merges two flows of mass containers into one. So the construction is quite simple. What we have here is a series of modular components where we're looking at wear strips, which is these green components, as well as guide rails. So when you put all this together, we have a sub-assembly of a whole conveyor section. Also, what we have here are sprockets, which will be pulling the belts that go on the top of this conveyor. And what we see here also is what we call decentralized drives. What we have here is a two-in-one solution where you have the gear motor and the VFD. Now, customers prefer these type of drives because one, it allows them to install the lines quicker, and two, to start up as well much faster. So the decentralized drives that we use are from SEW Eurodrive. They're of the highest standards and are recognized in the industry for the markets that we serve. So these are the latest in the innovation that we use to properly automate and control the conveyor sections. 3D design does allow us to have almost a foolproof solution in terms of manufacturing parts to minimize errors when it comes to both assembly and startup once we're starting up the lines. And our customers have given positive feedback on the improvements that they've seen with 3D manufacturing and design.
Regardless of the needs and the requirements that the industry is putting in front of us, Sidel is always at the top of the innovation, and that's why we are developing equipment to be aligned with those needs. The idea is that our equipment will be able to work with thinner plastics, very lightweight preforms, and then we will be able to provide these to our customers and the industry. At Sidel, we are dedicated to embracing new challenges and making a meaningful difference, not only on environmental matters, but also in fostering social well-being and responsible business practices. Sidel's decarbonization strategy aims to reduce Scope 1 and 2 emissions by 50% and Scope 3 by 27.5% by 2030 compared to 2019 levels. We have already surpassed this target, achieving a 75% reduction by 2023. Sidel is also working towards achieving net zero greenhouse gas emissions across the entire value chain, Scopes 1, 2, and 3, by 2050. Sidel is committed to being at the forefront of the industry trends, and we want to provide solutions that are aligned with those needs in the industry. In our agenda, the ESG commitment is pretty high. Therefore, we are working towards providing a sustainable future, not only for us, but also for the society.